Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In the previous videos, we have talked about what are the different operators. Here we will talk about what is the difference between double equal and triple equal. This is a very key concept and very important while you are using either a JavaScript development or you are doing the LWC development where you are using JavaScript. So being said that double equals is used for comparison of two variable inputs, two variable values, and it ignores the data type. So when we say that it ignores the data type, for example, here we are trying to use a double equal where on the left hand side we have got number 10, on the right hand side we have got a number 10 but within double quotes. So it is going to return the true, it is going to ignore because this is the string data type, but it is just going to compare the value. It say 10 and 10, it will say okay, it is true. However, our triple equals operator, which is also known as a strict equal operator, which is going to compare the value as well as the data types. So it will say, okay, this is 10, 10, that's fine. Now the operator is going to be, data type is going to be number, this is going to be a string, both are different, it will return false. There are various use cases, but in the real time, we always recommend even industry standards is always use triple equal or not sign double equal in case of if you wanted to say it is not equal to. And always have a strict comparison with your value as well as data types. Let's quickly jump into the console and see some of the examples for this as well. The very first thing is that let's quickly have a variable called we are going to have a variable called x is going to be 10, and then we are going to have a variable y which is also going to be 10 but within single quotes, which is going to say it is a string. Now if you wanted to have, let's say that x double equal y, it is saying that is true, that's what we have seen. Now if you say x triple equal y, it is saying that false because it is also comparing the value along with the data type. Now similarly, there are various use cases and there are some edge cases. We say that edge cases where our concept get fails. So if we say that I have got a plus 0 and I'm trying to have a value say that minus 0, it is saying that both are same, but eventually these are not same. Now if we even use triple equal, it will also say that both are same, where the concept of our triple equal gets failed. This is one of the edge case where we cannot use triple equals if you have a value for plus 0 or minus 0. Similarly, there is one other case which is not a nan, which is saying that not a number. If we try to have it is saying that both are false, which are not equals, and even if we use triple equal and we say that not a nan, it is also saying that both are not equal. However, these are equal. So to get rid of these edge cases, there is a new concept in the JavaScript, which is having a method from an object class. So how you can do that? You say that object dot is, and you say that 0 minus 0, it is going to say false. You see here both the cases we were getting true. Now here we are getting false, which is the correct. And then similarly we have got object dot is, and we have got not an and, not an and, which is saying that both are true, both are equals. That is why it says that true, but we found false when we used both unstrict and strict equal operator. So now you might be wondering where we should use object dot is or where we should use this strict equal operator. So we always recommend using strict equal operators, but in some cases where you see that or where you wonder like there should be a case like this or like this, then you can use object dot is, because this is the only case which is not being covered by strict equals operator. But most of the time, or I'll always use this triple equals, and if we have got some such cases, we can also cover using some sort of our uh, logical operators, or we say that logical blocks like if else, we can also use those. So this is again a very basic and very important concept in JavaScript, and this is it for this video. Thank you for your time. In the next video, we will talk about what are the various string functions that we can have inside a JavaScript. Thank you.